Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
हाय गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि 2 days बाद मैं कहीं पे जाने वाली हूँ. सो हियर आई एम इन गोवा. सो करंटली आई एम इन साउथ गोवा विच इज़ पालोलिम बीच एंड आई एम staying in a tent right now. Tomorrow we'll just explore some more places in south and we'll switch to the north side of it. So yeah, and you can ignore my dark circle since traveling बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ. Yesterday we left the home at 3 and today we reached at time almost 3 because the places here are far away in south. So it is better if you have your own car. थोड़ा पेट्रोल का खर्चा हो जाएगा but the hecticness will be less. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you the ambience of the tent and we'll be just good to go to the beach right now. So let's just go. You guys must be thinking क्या मैं गोवा में आके वेज खा रही हूँ. भाई नॉन वेज भी खाना है, बाद में नॉन वेज भी खाने वाले. I would highly recommend this ice cream. This is called as the tender coconut with vanilla ice cream and it is a specialty over there. So here we are to the Palolim beach. It is not so crowded over here and we have our hotel to 5-minute distance over here, so it feels good to be here. South Goa beaches are less crowded compared to North, but यहाँ बहुत सब कुछ महंगा है और बहुत दूर दूर places हैं. So now we are going for boating to explore more places here and there are different points over here. So I'll introduce you to them when we'll reach there. Started with the ride. So this is called as the monkey point due to the presence of rocks present in the water. I didn't get the logic that इतने rocks है तो monkey क्यों बोलना है, but the local people there call it as a monkey point. This is called as the turtle point because the shape of the rock resembles the shape of the turtle. The front side has the head and the back side has its body. You can see how good it looks. Also, I fortunately got to see some dolphin at the dolphin point. Spot is the honeymoon beach, which is this beach. पता नहीं भाई इसमें क्या इतना honeymoon वाला point है, but it is called so.
अपनी ये स्ट्रॉबेरी दुनिया ना कहीं और जाके बसाइयो.
This is called as the butterfly beach. So after a very tiring day, we are back to the hotel and this is the entrance of our hotel. Now we are going to enjoy here a candlelight dinner near the beach side. So after a very tiring day, we are back to our room and you can ignore my hair. I have just come from a bath and today we covered only a Palolim beach and different rides of a boat ride in which different spots were there which I introduced you. Tomorrow we'll cover some more places of South Goa and then we'll move to North Goa. And बहुत मच्छर है यार यहाँ पे. So yeah. So good morning guys, we are back to the second spot and this is day 2 in Goa, in North Goa, and we started with the fort here. Yeah, he's my dad. Also, most of people think here that there are just churches and beaches in Goa, but apart from that, Goa also has some beautiful forts which we'll cover. Also, I'm sorry for these quirky videos because since I'm shooting from my phone. The video stabilization is not so good, but I'll make some changes as I go further in my channel. You can also suggest me some good setup in the comment section below. फिलहाल हम एंजॉय करते हैं दिस नेचुरल ब्यूटी. Currently in Kabodarama Fort, you can see the scenery. Look how beautiful it looks, and I'll give you some more shots of the fort as well. यार ये आज बाल धोए हैं. My hair looks a little messy, so just cope up with that. Okay, so this view is just beautiful. Being here is also feeling very peaceful. बहुत दिनों बाद, I think 2 years after I'm coming in such spots like that. My last trip was in Andaman, and उसके बाद मैं 2 साल बाद यहाँ आई हूँ. So we checked out today from our hotel. We'll explore some more places in South Goa, and then we'll head towards the North Goa. ये मुझे छोड़ के जा रहे हैं ये लोग. चलो, let's go. Also guys, I will be uploading my day 3 and day 4 Goa vlog as a separate North Goa vlog, so stay tuned for it guys. This is called as the Pebble Beach due to the presence of lots of pebble in it. और यहाँ पे भाई संभाल के चलना 2 बार ये हुआ है मेरे साथ. So after visiting the Pebble Beach, let us move on. So here we are to the next location of Goddess Shanta Durga temple. Since shooting is prohibited inside, I didn't shot a lot here. It's just the outside view. And after roaming a lot, let's now eat the lunch. And we have decided to order fish thali. So this is the Mount Mary Church. Sorry for this bad footage since we are after sunset here. It is dark and यहाँ पे शादी भी थी तो ज़्यादा फुटेज उन लोगों ने खा लिया. And this place is so good. यहाँ पे आने के बाद ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा था कि हम इंडिया में हैं. The place is so beautiful and it looks more beautiful in night. To go to the old Goa church, and I think you should visit that. since it is the largest church in Goa and it has someone's body there, and when I visited last time मैंने सुना था कि वहाँ वो body के nails भी बढ़ते, वो body है फिर भी, so they used to cut that nails from, I mean, after a month. So it is quite interesting to see that, and videography is not allowed inside. So when I went there, it was closed because of the COVID. Before when I went, I think almost 5 to 6 years before, so at that time it was there, but since COVID is there, so you need to keep in mind this thing that at 4 o'clock the church closes there. So we just went there and again we come back, and then we visited the Mount Mary church. Also, I am in my second hotel right now, and first we planned to go in a resort, but since we booked on Agoda, one thing you should keep in mind while booking, you can book there, it is nothing as such, but they tell that we have free cancellation and you can directly go and then you can pay there, but it is nothing as such. Because of that we lost our room today, so you need to pay some confirmation, or you need to confirm that with your hotel as well. But since we were not getting any contact of the hotel, it was not possible. Today we got that, but it just become a lot of chaos and then we lost our room, so we need to adjust in some other room. So one thing you should keep in mind there, and also since it is an international company, their phone is also not reachable, so you need to take care of that. It was a short vlog since the places are so so far, so we couldn't cover a lot of things, but whatever we covered I tried to shoot that. That's it for today. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as well. Bye.